Okay, now before I run it, I need to show you my existing data. Okay, the existing data is I have for this direct customer. I have using condition the price condition table 305 with price. I've defined 4 record for the month for this March, for the first week of the March, for the second week of the March, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. Yeah. So I'm going to update. I'm going to using the mass update to 2.3, 4.3, where I have predefined this Excel sheet. As you can see, the price for the first week, second week, third week, fourth week in this case, just for a very demonstration only, not okay. So okay, as John as the after the you have purchased the RPA tenant and then have the predefine. I have the acquire and configure the predefined board, and now as once this John as the sales assistant, where they need to follow the input template and then to prepare the data with the Excel sheet, and then you can run the board now simply by trigger first you'll need to start the project, and second, and then you will see the mass maintenance of the sales price. Okay, let me close my Excel sheet first. Okay, now I'm going to start in my hands free. I don't do my mouse, and everything you're seeing now, it's run by the board at the control. As you can see, the board now it's opening Excel sheet to read the data. Read the data from the Excel sheet, record by record, and then you will loop, and then you will upload the data conditional record through the OData API. At the end, you will output. You will write the log to the success folder. As you can see, now we're having 2 folders. It's output the processing log, the message log to this folder. Once the board has finished the process, the job, at the end you will receive an auto-generated email for the summary of the result. So basically, you can check the detailed log in the Excel folder. If we're going back to the Excel folder, we are having in the success folder, we have see and then as you can see it in the first, you add one column. So for the status message, so all of the full record has been successfully updated. Now we can check the result within the S/4HANA system. Going back and then to refresh and then now as you can see, we see all of the conditional amount has been reflected into the news. The new amount has been reflected. So that concludes our demo. How John can prepare the data and then to run the board to automate the process of the mass maintenance for the sales price. Thank you.